Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along our recent uploads, you know we spent last week in New Orleans. We spent 3 nights at the Eliza Jane, which is a Hyatt property just outside the French Quarter. It's a great spot for when you want to be near the French Quarter, but not necessarily in the French Quarter. So the property is on Magazine Street, which is just across Canal Street from the French Quarter. So you're within a 5 or 10 minute walk probably from the Harrah's Casino, the riverfront, the heart of the French Quarter, whether you want to go to Cafe du Monde or the Jackson Square or anything like that. We did that hop on, hop off bus tour, which was great. There's a stop right on Canal Street, right 2 or 3 blocks from the hotel. This was our room. We upgraded using a Suite Upgrade Award from Hyatt. We are globalist, so we do have some of those to go through. It's got us a standard suite, which has a separate living area, living space with a coffee maker, TV, love seat, just some extra space outside of the bedroom. Lots of natural light, windows all the way around this room. It did get a little noisy in the mornings from all those windows with the noise downstairs on the road. Other than that, we had no trouble sleeping, very comfortable bed. We'll move into the bedroom, show you that real quick. Little desk, TV, king size bed. We hope you enjoyed this quick overview of the Eliza Jane. If you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. This way next time we upload a video from one of our trips, you'll be the first to see it. Thanks for watching.